Okay, we have the Human Races. Okay, this is 1 month after we bought these. And we got a really good deal off of these. Like, the retail for $2.50. I got these. They're literally like brand new a month ago for $1.30 on eBay. So now let's get into the review for these Pharrell Human Race, the BBC Billionaires Boys Club.
There's the logo.
Okay, so as you can see on the right one, it says heart. See, if you do that, you can, there. You can kind of see the T there.
And on the left one, it says mind. So heart and mind.
With the slogan for Billionaires Boys Club, it is, wealth is of heart and mind, not the pocket. Okay?
Inspirational.
Do all of your work through your heart and mind.
So yeah, that's the motto.
Yeah, slogan.
Slogan.
And you see how I have the Human Races tied. If you like that, I'll put a link for the video. I made a video on this, on how to tie them like this, so I'll put a link in the description for the video if you really like this. I really like the gold that they put on the back. It gives the shoe a really nice look.
Kind of see it shimmer in the light.
Yeah, it looks really good on feet. And also in like the video of how to tie them, I have it on feet, so you can go check that footage out. And I show them in shorts and in long pants, so you can kind of get a see of like different outfits for it. Which, like, some people don't like these shoes, and then some people love them. So like there's people that are like, they call them clown shoes. Like I posted a picture of them on Reddit and people were calling them clown shoes. But honestly, I really like them, so that's the only thing that I really care about, is if I personally like them.
Comment down below if you also like them or dislike them.
Yeah, and what Human Races we should buy, because we want to get some more Human Races, like maybe the Inspiration Pack, or a few from the Solar Pack.
Or a few from the Friends and Family Pack.
Yeah, like the really expensive ones that were exclusive in China. Like, make sure you subscribe so we can
review those.
Yeah, and start making like more money so we can get more stuff for the channel and so we can make more videos for you guys. And thanks for watching this review on the Human Race BBC NMD by Pharrell. Make sure you comment the stuff that we said, and please subscribe.